Hi, this is a chapter 1.1, Introduction to Programming. Important information. If you already have experience with programming, please skip this lesson and see you in the next chapter. For all others, I welcome you and let's start. Well, this topic was really difficult to create. I've been in this area for 10 years and all terminology, all these technical words are already kind of self-explanatory for me. They are super simple. But what if I need to explain something to people who are new in the area, who have never experienced the programming in general? So somebody said that you are basically not an expert if you cannot explain something to small kid. I was searching for some good term which is explaining what programming is, and most of the terms I didn't like because they kinda asking you to have some background in programming. So for instance, what compiler is and something like this, what the compilation, computation, and all those words. So I want to make it really simple, and I found out my own explanation for the term programming. Here it is. Well, programming is a way to communicate with computer using specific set of commands. To simplify even more, you are telling computer what to do, how to solve some specific problem, and what is specific set of commands. So computer should understand what are you telling him. That's why we have this variety of different computer languages. And finally, the perfect term for specific set of commands is computer program. Coming to the previous slide. Good question. Who is this lady on the picture? This is Ada Lovelace, and she is very first creator of the program. In year 1843, she published the first algorithm which was solving the calculation of Bernoulli numbers. But you can obviously ask, 1843, there was no computers, but this program was written on the list of paper, and it was a sequent set of commands or steps which you need to execute even in your brain to resolve this problem. So this was a first algorithm. You know, our brain is also a computer. So if you can basically see the algorithm on the list of paper and resolve it going step by step. I already mentioned something about solving problems. And now I want to say that the main purpose of computer program is solving problems. So here I created a very basic and abstract example, some problem which needs to be solved. Here we have this blue field, we have this nice green square character with eyes, and we have diamond in the top right corner. The problem is that the character needs to reach the diamond, and the character can have some commands. So for instance, go right, go left, go top, or go bottom. And here we have to use those commands in order to move our green character to the diamond. When the character reaches the edge of the field, like here, it stops, and next command is executing. So here we have our very simple program algorithm, which has two commands, go right and go top. Let's try to execute them. So we start our abstract program. First, our character is moving right, stops, and then it goes top. Voila, problem is solved. Here we have the same problem, but a different program. You know, the programming is very creative process. So you have freedom to solve different problems in your own way. When you have more experience, when you have more knowledge, you can create smaller programs, more sophisticated programs, and better performing programs. So here is the example of a little bit bigger program which solves the same problem. So we see here 3 commands already: go bottom, go right, and go top. Let's try to execute them. So our character goes bottom, stops, now goes right, stops, and then it goes to the top. So problem is solved. But I have to say that this program is a bit, it's slightly worse than comparing to the program which we had before. So the execution time is bigger, but it doesn't matter. I just wanted to show you that you have freedom, you can be creative, you can imagine yourself as a writer, as you writing your own story, your own program. And this is cool about programming. Now I would suggest you to perform simple task. You need to create the 3rd program for solving this problem. Think about this and write your solution in the comment section. And as you can see, this is basically it about programming introduction. You already know what programming is and what is computer program. And we can now finally start writing our program using Kotlin language, and we can start learn some basic syntax. So see you in the next chapter. Bye.